All right, guys, what I thought we'd do today is take the Garrett AT Pro out and just learn the detector. I'm gonna go a couple places where I'm pretty sure I can find some coins, and I want to learn how it reacts to coins, how it looks when those targets are found, and then use that in conjunction with my pinpointer to make sure that I can find coins. It always helps to try to find things in places where you know that what you're gonna find is probably not gonna matter, and if you miss a target here and there, it's okay. Get to know your equipment before you use it. It's just like survival, bushcraft, or anything else. You should be practicing with it before you need it. And when you need it is when you're out looking for artifacts and relics. So I want to go out now and learn how to use it beforehand, practicing in my backyard, as they would say, so that I can take this thing to the field and really find some good stuff. Stay with me. You can see we got 2 holes within probably 5-6 feet here. And I'm just digging up clad coins right now in this park walkway here in town. But practicing with the metal detector a little bit, getting used to it, finding coins, things like that. I definitely found a target-rich area. We got a target here. It was ringing in the 70s. We'll see what we got here. Dig it up and I'll bring you back. All right, so we got a Centennial 1 cent here. Stinking Lincoln, as they call them, I believe. But keep on rocking. All right, we got another solid 75, 76 right here. Went up into the 80s. Hopefully it'll be a quarter this time. We'll see. We'll dig her up. All right, well, first things first, let's see if we got it out of the hole. We got some trash in the hole, it seems like. I think we got the target out. Let's get the pinpointer out. That'll tell the tale. Yeah. Still something in that hole for sure. But there's something here too. Well, dig around here and find it. Target was only reading a couple inches deep, so it's not in this first layer of sod. Should be right here. That's odd. Yes. Definitely reading that it's right in here. There it is right there, it just fell out. There we go, another penny. Another modern 1 cent there. Well, at least we're finding coins. And right now that's what I'm expecting. I'm in a park that's probably an older area of town, but the sidewalk that's been put in right here is fairly new. So unless somebody dropped something here a long time ago before they put the sidewalk in, most of what we find will be modern. That's really what we're trying to do, is test out the detector, see what numbers are coming up and what we're getting. Been getting quite a few pennies, found 1 quarter so far. We just had a solid 80s tone right here, and I dug this thing up. I don't know what it is, it's a piece of cast. Very ornate cast piece of metal. I have no idea what that was. Put it in a pouch and drag it out of here though. Okay, I want to show you something real quick here. It's got a pretty solid penny signal here, showing 4 inches deep, bouncing back and forth a little bit. But a lot of times if you get off that thing and hit the pinpoint, you can see it's a very small area that thing's in. It generally tells you it's probably not an aluminum can or something. Maybe a bottle cap, but it's probably a coin. Okay, whatever it is. I believe we might have it in the plug here. Okay. Now, get the pinpointer out just to verify that. Nothing left in there. Oh, there we go. Definitely in the plug here. Oh, looks like it might be a nail. Nope. Nope, that's a root. Okay. I was saying, that was ringing awful high for a nail. Silver spike. Wouldn't that be nice? All right, where'd you go? Now we got nothing. Oh, that's weird. Now we got a signal in the hole that we didn't have. That's strange. And nothing in the plug. Huh. Well, that's odd. I'll dig a little deeper. Another Lincoln penny. Stuck right in the side of the hole there. That's kind of weird. The other thing I'm trying to accomplish here is I'm trying to dig plugs that are, you know, maybe 4 or 5 inches across. And I'm trying to make sure that when I dig a plug, generally my target's in the plug. I've dug it deep enough and big enough and accurate enough that my target is inside the plug. If I do that, then I save myself a lot of digging. Now we've been doing pretty good at not digging trash. I got a couple little pieces in my pouch, but this is just a bottle cap, and it was ringing in the 70s, pretty steady in the 70s. So you're gonna dig some trash to get the coins. Here's some crazy stuff. I had 2 bottle caps in a row, and I was about tired of digging bottle caps, to tell you the truth. But anyway, patience, patience. I got a solid 80 signal right here. Started digging. We got a thermostat with the gasket, and I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a foosball, to be honest with you. If I didn't know any better, I'd say that's exactly what that was, an old foosball. We'll definitely take that with us. Okay, I stepped across the street to an older area here, and there's an area here beside the sidewalk with these stumps in the ground. And the first one I walked over to, I got a solid 80 signal and dug up a dime. I can't read the date on it, but I'm pretty sure it's not a silver dime. It looks like 1995. But we're gonna keep on rocking. We walked 5 feet, and got another pretty solid 80 signal here. Check him out and see what it is. Size of the signal scares me. We'll see. When I turn the iron audio, that thing bounces down into the 70s. 70s to 80s. Probably got a piece of trash in the ground right here. Without the iron audio on, it's hitting pretty solid in the 80s. Drops down to the 70s every once in a while. But never gonna know if we don't dig it. Looks like at one point there was gravel here before this sidewalk was here. Because I'm digging down in here, I'm hitting a lot of gravel. We'll pop this plug and the mess out of the hole. Make sure we got the target out, and we'll find it. There it is, laying down at the bottom of the hole. Looks like another dime. Check the date on that dude. Move on. All right, guys. Well, here's the trash from the last few hours. A cigarette lighter there, pop can, thermostat, some caps. This thing here must be a frozen piece of aluminum, or excuse me, a melted piece of aluminum. Frozen. Kind of cold outside today. A melted piece of aluminum because it set my detector off heavy duty and it's really lightweight. So it's got to be a piece of melted aluminum out from beside the sidewalk there. And then stuff that we kept, we got 4 pennies, 2 dimes, a quarter, all clad, I'm pretty sure, on those. And then, I might be showing my age here, but I'm pretty sure that that is a foosball. on to that bad boy. All right, guys, well, I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School. I appreciate you joining for this video today. Just really out learning this new Garrett AT metal detector. I'm really enjoying it so far. I've got the pinpointer and the metal detector itself. It's definitely finding coins, which is what I was after it for finding things, especially underwater, and it does go underwater to 10 feet, so I'll be testing that out on video here shortly as well. But right now, I just wanted to go a few places where I was pretty sure I could find some coins and things, even if they were modern coins, just to get to know the detector, understand what signals it was giving, what they meant, what coins look like when I find them in the ground, things like that, how to pinpoint with the device itself, and how to use the pinpointer in conjunction with that. So really, I'm just out learning today, and I wanted to bring you along with me. We didn't find anything really cool, although we did find a foosball, and I thought that was really cool. And I'm not sure why that thermostat was in the ground right beside it, but you never know. Maybe it's not a foosball at all. Maybe one of you guys can tell me what you think it is, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business, for all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back with another video, guys, as soon as I can. Thanks.